So considering we're stuck in self-isolation, I'm just going to do some bits to the car. I have spares left over from my last car, so to keep myself occupied I'm doing the brake calipers. I've sort of prepped the area better than it was done before. For some reason someone painted over the top of the rust, so I've as you can see, I've got it down to bare metal with what is it, wire brush there, and I've got these wire brush attachments to go in my drill. I've also got sandpaper and wire wool just like scuff the surface up a bit, but it's time for primer. So we're all done on the front anyway. Even the wheel nuts are done. Some of them are drying up there for the outside. As you can see, the back's done as well, just drying. Still really wet. Gonna keep them, come in handy. Forgot to show you as well close up. Here's lug nuts I just sprayed. Come out pretty good, to be honest, for lug nuts anyway.